Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you what I got in my swag box from Poshmark. They sent this box to me because I am hosting a virtual Posh and Sip in honor of their 9th birthday. Hosting it on Friday, December 4th at 8 p.m. Eastern time. I will have a link down below. You go to the link, you enter in your email address, and you'll be sent an official invite with the Zoom link. It's on Zoom. Obviously, it'd be great to have an in-person Posh and Sip. I've done a couple of those before. Those are so much fun, but because of the Rona, it's not happening. So yeah, I wanted to show you guys what Poshmark sent me. Some of these things I will be giving away. Poshmark's given me a $25 like gift card credit to Poshmark, and that will definitely be raffled away. But I think I'm going to raffle away swag bags because I do have like some things to give away and some swag bags. I have some swag bags left over that I personally made from previous Posh and Sips. So I think we're probably going to do 20 to 25 people. So they sent me a box full of stuff. In the box was this bag. How fun is this bag? As usual, they sent me this little Posh and Sip sign. I have so many of these. They also sent me a bunch of napkins. I have so many napkins. It just says Posh and Sip. I don't know why they sent me napkins because again, you know, it's not in person. They sent me some thank you cards. I'm going to be raffling these guys off, as well as some other thank you cards too, because I have a shit ton of thank you cards. I don't send out thank you cards with my purchases. I have thank you stickers that I use, but yeah, these just say thank you, you rock, thank you for your purchase. You can write a little note on the back. There's probably like 25 or 30 in here. Then they sent some stickers. I actually have a whole roll of these stickers that I put like on my Poshmark packages. They sent some pens. I have so many of these pens. They just say Poshmark, and they have the little rubber thing at the top so you can, you know, use it on a phone, on a iPad. Then they sent these cards. It just says, what is Poshmark? These are good for people that attend a Posh and Sip and don't know what Poshmark is. Although this needs to be updated because this says on the back, like you're supposed to hand them out and put your closet name on the back, but this says you get $5 off your first purchase, and it's been $10 for a while. So yeah, these need to be updated. I'm just gonna set those aside for when I do an in-person Posh and Sip, if that ever happens. They sent me some little pins just with the Poshmark logo. Sent me this pin, which is so cute. It's just the Poshmark logo. A sticker, it says Poshmark turns 9. I am so excited for this. I have wanted one of these for a while. So basically it's a keychain. It says Poshmark on it, but it's one of those things, you know, you can use to like open a door, to, you know, touch the nasty, dirty credit card machines, like basically just touch things in public. Like this is, I don't know why, I am the biggest germaphobe ever. I don't know why I have not purchased one of these, but now I have one, and I'm so friggin' excited for this, you guys. And then they sent me, in true pandemic coronavirus fashion, some masks with the Poshmark logo on them. How cool are these? These are just cloth masks. They seem to be super comfortable. They sent me a bunch of those. And then my favorite thing, they sent me a personalized mask that has my Poshmark closet name on it. It's like embroidered. How awesome is that? Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so excited for this. And now I'll show you guys a sneak peek of some of the things that are in my little swag bags that I'm giving out. So I have these little bags right here. I have these little bags, and then I have bigger bags as well that I'm gonna raffle off. So yeah, in the little bags, you know, you're gonna get some things. I have these cute little Poshmark ornaments that I made. How cute, with like glitter in it. Woo, so fun. Pop sockets. Lots and lots of pop sockets. Poshmark pop sockets. I've got these two little dish towels that I made. Sorry, I'm gonna like drop this box. Positive vibes, super cute. I've got two of those I'm gonna be raffling off. I've got a bunch of stickers I'm gonna stick in there, like lots and lots of stickers. More pens, like I told you. Then there's gonna be a few extra little treats in there as well. So yeah, so if you guys want to attend my virtual Posh and Sip, I'll have a link down below. Again, you go to the link, you enter in your email address, and then you're sent the official invite with the Zoom link. It's going to be Friday, December 4th, 8 Eastern time. I know that might be a little iffy for my West Coast peoples, but yeah, I'm gonna be very pregnant, and you know, 8 o'clock, that's late for mama. We are going to talk about all things Poshmark, trying to get a special guest speaker. We'll see if that happens. I'm also going to record it and probably put it up on my YouTube channel in case you guys miss the fun. Yeah, it's gonna be a lot of fun. Like I said, I'll have a link down below. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.